Hi guys, for today we're playing Knockout. And by the way, this is my first short video. What the fuck? God damn, bro, it's aggressive. By the way, I'm a Filipino. Guys, chill. What the fuck? Man, sometimes they get annoying. They know they're gonna die, but they sacrifice themselves. Like, I don't get it. TNT blast? Maybe that come with my skin well. By the way, I have. That's how they get it. The sunflower arrow. Sunflower or flower stuff? Oh, flower stuff is much good. Much better. Sorry if guys, sorry if my English is terrible. I'm only a grade 7 pupil. I know they're gonna target themselves. Oh, they don't. Because they know they're going to die. Oh, bro, so cool. Damn. Emma Spin. Let's see if it's something good. Never mind. We get something bad. Damn. I'm hoping I was the juggernaut. What the fuck is bro doing? Oh, at least we won. Let's see what we get. Ice, okay. Ice again. Like what the hell? That's all doesn't Oh, what the hell? They're not thinking. I'm mad. Cut them off. Good. This guy go after me. If this guy go after me, and I hit that guy, that would be the perfect. Oh my god! I guess they tried. I'm squeezed. I'm gonna hold this center. Ooh, bro got smoke. Let's go to the middle again. How did bro guess my move? And he's going after me, so let's dodge him. This guy is a crazy guy. I already knew it. Oh, never mind. I need the center. Let's dance. Damn, this guy is great. Oh, last round of gold. Oh, what the heck? Okay, guys. This is... No, I meant... Bye, guys. Okay, guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video.